April 6th shift 1 is over and concluded. And if you compare this with other shifts of April till now, this was one of the toughest, not because it was tricky, but because it was calculative and lengthy as well. If I segregate it into different subjects, you can see in chemistry, physical chemistry was calculative and lengthy. Around four numericals were there, which were lengthy. Inorganic and organic chemistry was NCRT based and direct. And overall, the paper was balanced. But because of physical chemistry calculation, it took around 50 minutes for students to solve it. Right? If you can see, these are the topics from where the questions are being repeated in chemistry. If you see physics, which was calculative and lengthy, but it was direct formula based, but because of multi concepts in one question, it became time consuming, and that is why it took around 1 hour 10 minutes for students to solve the questions here. You can take the screenshot of all the important concepts that being asked in physics. Now let us see maths. Maths, as usual, it was lengthy, though it was formula based. There were easy questions as well, but overall it was moderate to tough because there were more calculations involved here, and it was very time consuming. You can see this over here. These are the topics that are being repeated. There were around 5 to 6 questions from conic sections here, and you can just take care of that. So we will see now 99 percentile will hit around 170 marks here. The overall, if I conclude it, it was formula based but lengthy. Question selection was important here. Time management played a very important role here, and as compared to other shift, this was toughest. So students, now let me know in the comment section, how was your exam? If you have given your exam today, was it actually lengthy or not? And also, if you're yet to give your exam, when is your exam? Do let me know in the comment section.